Nombre, my nombre, Cassandra.
The winner takes it all.
You are my friend. Amigos, Hector, Ulises, Achilles, you know? You know that? Oh, really, yes. Hector is dead. And me. What? Hector is dead? Why? Why? And his body, very destroyed. Clytemnestra, oh my god, you know Clytemnestra? Oh, very complicated woman, oh my god. I not love Clytemnestra, no, very complicated.